I've drained the water to reduce the carbohydrates content in the beans, and then I'm going to boil them. What are you not eating? Why?
No, man, this is why I don't eat it.
Why are you not eating sada? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning a subscriber, thank you for tuning back in. And today is a Sunday. It's currently in the morning. We're getting ready to go to church. Everybody's upstairs getting ready, and today I've got a request from my children which I am going to do in today's video. So you know, because our kids are now used to eating our African food, and when we take them back home Zimbabwe, they enjoy some of the food. Some of the food they don't like them, like eating guru or matumbu. They find them gross, but we have introduced them so that they don't, in the future, they don't blame us as their parents that we did not introduce them to our original foods. So in today's video, they've requested to eat sadza with sugar beans, and we didn't have any sugar beans in the house because our stocks from when we came back last year is all finished now. So they are now begging us to go back to Africa to go and get some of the foodstuffs like maputi, like beans, different things that they enjoy, but unfortunately it's not as easy. And buying them here, like if you look at a packet of 20 for maputi that we purchased for $2.50 at the tuck shops in Rizende Street in Harare, here you buy them in rugby, it's 14 pounds. And I'm struggling to purchase that, where you think 14 pounds for something. Out of 14 pounds I bring the whole stock. Yes. So for this ones we just had to buy some sugar beans. Let me show. Yes, sugar beans. This was it is 500 grams, and we purchased it from Ragib butchery, where we go to buy the meat, and it was for £3.50. So what I did last night, I did soak. So this is what I did last night. I soaked the beans because they will cook quicker. If you haven't watched my previous video of how I make the sugar beans, so I'm going to start boiling them. What I've done, I've drained the water to reduce the carbohydrates content in the beans, and then I'm going to boil them. So while my sugar beans was boiling, I decided to go on the walking pad to do some exercises. And I am getting used to this, and I'm hoping that one day my hard work is going to pay. Right. So this is the last of the onion that I purchased. I'll put the date if I remember when I purchased this. doesn't look red, like red sugar beans. So I am going to add some. We are back from church, and what we are going to do is normally this morning nobody ate anything when we went to church because people are not used to eat early in the morning. So we've come back. So instead of having a brunch, because it's already 3:45 in the afternoon and nobody's eaten anything, we are now just going to cook some salsa with the beans, sugar beans that I've cooked this morning, and then we'll eat our main meal at this time, and then later on then people in the evening can have a sandwich if they want to, or can have something else. So let's continue. I'm now going to make, I couldn't find some green, and the chickens are eating vegetables as well in the garden. So I am now making salsa. But we're going to get on the pin when it's chant. Yeah. What am I doing? No, trying to pick it up. My God, my soup. But when you see them, but I'm a veggie.
Djokovic, the wait continues.
Mom, I'm just cherishing the videos. So when I think, when I have nothing to eat, I'll just look back in my camera when I look at the pictures of when I had food to eat. I saw this TikTok, right, and it was this guy, they were eating saji, yeah, but they hadn't even moved left. So they had a picture of soup, and they were getting the size of dipping of the food of the soup to make it that they were having soup.
Mama is short.
Is there salt? The fact that I've just seen it. The fact that you still have to do that. Hey. I don't have to do that. Can I have salt, please? She's right here.
It's okay.
Thanks to me, this is why we're
I am. Mercy, you need to stop this thinking to you. You didn't even cook.
I'm the one who's been suggesting. We should have some of these. We should have done it.
Yeah, I know.
It's my favorite meal. Like, I don't eat something like that, but
We have finished eating, and these two guys are now cleaning the kitchen. They are doing the dishes and cleaning the kitchen. Right. What are you not eating?
Salsa, man.
Why?
No, man. This is why I don't eat it.
Why are you not eating salsa?
Bro, what? So now you want to bring gender.
Right. So we finished, and I've managed to get 2 packs of beans. That's a meal prep that I'm going to put in the freezer, and one day maybe we just get the beans and a little bit of chuck roasted. So 2 meals prepared already. It looks like it's not not enough, but we will put maybe beef stew on the side, or I'll wait till these guys start complaining that they want salsa and beans again, then we'll make it. But it's been a lovely weekend. The weather's it's not great, but it's okay. So I might go out for a walk or go on the treadmill just to make it up to 10,000 steps. I'm sitting at, let's have a look. At the moment, I'm not in frame. Messi, this table is doing, and you put the chairs together. So at the moment, I am sitting at 6,300 steps, and due to the weather, I'm not really bothered about going over 10,000 steps at the moment. But if I can reach 10,000, that would be great. So yes, so I am going supper. Possibly I'll just have a herbal tea. So it means that most of the time in this house, we only eat 1 meal a day on a Sunday bar. It's great, and the thing I like about it is teaching these guys how to do some housework. If you see them, they are really working. It's just training them so that they're able to do the jobs when they've got their own houses. They know what to do, and as well, it's helping. Like one thing that we have done in this house is these 3, they came up with days of who is responsible cooking which day. So Saturday and Sunday is Mom's day of cooking. Monday is Messi's. Tuesday and Wednesdays is my sister. Thursday, Friday is Nataf, but the rest of the housework we help each other. So yes, so that's it for this video, and I just want to say thank you for tuning in, and hope to see you in the next video.